It's a beautiful fall Saturday afternoon and I'm being treated to this incredible sunshine. I couldn't think of a better way to enjoy it than to bring my family to the park and have a little bit of tailgate. Now, I brought with me the Coyote portable gas grill, and you'll notice at first glance that 316 marine grade steel is beautiful. Stainless cleans up beautifully, it conducts heat, and in this case 20,000 BTUs at the surface means that it's going to behave just like my grill at home. I'm going to have that same flavor, that same intense barbecue crispiness that everybody's going to love. As a matter of fact, I better get started because when they get over here, they're going to be hungry. Always make sure to lift the lid on any gas barbecue before lighting, but the Coyote portable gas grill has a built-in ignition, which means you'll never forget the matches. Always make sure to preheat your grill before use. Get it up to temperature, 350, 400, this one will go up to 700 degrees. But it's really important to get it preheated so when you put the cold product on, it starts to sear right away. A 600 or 700 degree barbecue, that'll get a pizza done. Whether you're a boater or a tailgater like me, maybe you love a good road trip, or you just have a small footprint where your barbecue needs to go, the Coyote portable gas grill is perfect for all those applications and many more. The other thing that I love about it is that there is no shortcoming for space. I can get a couple giant steaks, corn, sweet potatoes, all of this on this grill. It's small and compact, but it's big and it's powerful. This cool touch handle allows me to open and close the cowling without worrying about getting burnt. Also, the drip pan, which is all 316 stainless, allows you to collect any drippings so that you can wipe it out before you pick it up and move it. Make sure it's cooled before you do that. Lastly, the Coyote signature grate. That thick stainless steel plate with that beautiful Coyote logo on it, that will hold heat, it'll keep heat, and when you want to get a sear on like these steaks, it'll do the job beautifully. I can smell those ribeyes. Look at the smoke rolling out of this. Let's have a look at how they're doing. Oh yeah, beautiful. You give these a turn. Look at that charring up beautifully. I love it. These results are undeniable. As a professional chef, it gets me so excited to know that you'll be able to get the same results you get in your backyard anywhere the Coyote portable gas grill takes you.